What's the tea bag in there?
Shipping companies, Maersk and MSC Mediterranean, plus this morning DHL, massive. Oh, you got that? That's Willie Doo. That's Willie Doo. That's Willie Doo. Who is it? I think it's Willie Doo. He just pulled that up in the speed with it as well. Like, I mean, he just put a whole new feeling on the show with that. The show was going one way, and then he did that. The speed he did it was a big shut up button for me. That was a massive.
Oh, yeah. I always do that.
He just
Keep moving on.
Yeah, he just cracked me in the skull. Bleed out. DHL suspends all shipments to Russia and Belarus. Germany-based DHL, world leader in logistics, has suspended shipments to Russia and Belarus. Yes, our inbound services to Russia have been suspended, which is why we are also not accepting shipments to those countries until further notice, as reported. Yes, listen, that's a big one. In and out, being able to send things in and out. At some point, the people are going to just be, like I said, it's starting to feel like, I know in the short term, people can put up with a lot, particularly if they happen to be a part of this cause or whatever, if they're behind Putin.
Yeah.
But at some point, it is such an isolating thing, like everything is coming out. You got used to a particular way of life and interconnectedness, the type of internet of modern life, which goes beyond the actual internet and into how you behave in the actual world. So to have that all extracted and so rapidly, it's got to be a very isolating feeling, I would say.
Yeah, people are feeling it. I'm even just feeling how hefty all that is. Like all the lists of services being denied and people pulling out.
Yeah.